Hey guys, wanna know how to save or bookmark an article or a course in Geeks for Geeks? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now, first off, simply open up your Geeks for Geeks application. And once you're there, right here you can see there's articles and courses as well. Now, as a search up for any article, that is DSA. Now right here there is article of DSA tutorial. Now in order to save it, just simply select the article or the course. And right here on the top right, you can see this small bookmark icon. So simply press on it and there you have it. Your article has been bookmarked easily. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.